Hi guys, Tina back with you. In this video I will show you how to create automation workflow in Getresponse. You may consider this like a case study because this will be actually a real case study for one of my funnels, okay? So I have this funnel which is called passive income funnel. By the way, you can find your link down below in the description and join this funnel to make money online. Now let's come back to Getresponse. So when I go to my Getresponse account, let's go to main dashboard. First of all, what you should realize that in Getresponse there are different possibilities to create actual letters, autoresponders, okay, broadcasts, autoresponders, and automation letters, okay. So we should go here, click automation, and before you create your actual workflow, okay, the good idea would be to create actually the messages for your workflow, okay? So as you can see, we will be using these passive income funnel messages. And again, I created them before I started even actually create the workflow, okay? Now, let's open our workflow. And I will share with you the idea of this workflow for my passive income funnel. Okay. Passive income funnel. Okay, don't be scared. This is how it looks like. So I will explain everything in details. Okay. So first of all, we start from this subscribe to passive income funnel with any method. Okay. See, you just click here. You actually bring it here and post it there. Okay. Now, after that, I send the message. Okay, here see, I choose automation and I choose already the message from the automation, see? So I choose this message, okay? Next thing, when I want to know whether the message was opened or not, okay? For this, you can use this field, okay, message opened or not. If the message is opened, I wait for 1 day, you just drag it from here, wait for 1 day, and I send the day number 1 message. Again, see, this message comes again from automation and from the messages in automation. But as you can see here, I also created message 1/2 because if the guy will not open message with this headline, okay, I just want to send him another message with different headline, okay, to attract his attention. Okay, so this is why here I actually created two letters for each and every day. Okay, let's say a letter for day 11. The easiest business, are you okay with $1,000 commissions? And the day 11 too, are you okay with extra 2? So the message is the same, see, but I use automation to try to attract this guy who didn't open message with this title, okay, to show him another title, okay, and maybe attract this title will attract him. So I have this all for like here, see, like 12 days. Okay, let's come down. But at the end, see what I want to do with these people. When the guy actually went through all these 12 days messages, okay, I simply want to move him to another list, okay. So I have here this matrix which I use, okay. I buy traffic every week. So let's say I bought 200 clicks, okay. The 100 clicks will go to passive income funnel, and after these people who already subscribed to passive income funnel letters, okay, after they finish their sequence, okay, they will be automatically moved from this passive income funnel list to list launch check-in list, okay. So this launch check-in list has like minimum 30-day follow-up letters which are promoting different Warrior Plus offers, okay. Now let's come back to the top. On the top here again, if the guy didn't open the message, okay, here see, I wait for 1 day, and people who didn't open this message, okay, will receive message day 1, simple blueprint to crushing it online. Again, if they opened, okay, the email, they will be redirected to day 2, okay, day 2. if they didn't open this message, okay, they will be sent in 1 day, they will be sent another message, day 2, okay, and again, if they open this message, they will be redirected to day 3, okay, but if they didn't open the message, they will be assigned the tag retarget, okay. You can assign any tag you want. Okay, first of all, you need to create this tag. Okay, there are different tags here. So in this case, I assign the tag retarget. Okay, and I have another automation. We will come back here. Okay. So when these actually retarget tag attached, okay, to this guy, okay, this retargeting automation will start working immediately on autopilot. So wait until the tag is retarget. Okay, so as soon as the guy has this retarget tag, this workflow will start working for him. First of all, I will wait for 3 days. Okay, no need to wait for 3 days. Let's wait for maybe 2 days. Okay, 2 days we will wait. Okay, and after 2 days, I will try to send him again message day number 2. If he open, okay, assign the tag visited this passive income blueprint. Again, I want just to know who visited, okay. And if not, send message day 1, blah blah blah, and so on. So after day 1 send, assign tag again, and assign tag delete inactive. Okay, this is important. When we assign them tag delete inactive, okay, there will be a third actually workflow which will start working. Okay, so the third workflow will be, so I just want Getresponse to delete all those inactive people, you know, on autopilot. So this is my last chance and delete workflow for those people. Okay, again, wait until the tag is delete inactive, and again send couple of messages. Okay, this is your last chance. Okay, and if not, remove from account. Okay, so this is actually why I love Getresponse, and this is actually why I love to use automations. Okay, there is another automation which actually I love to use as well. Let me show you this one last automation for today. Okay, and this automation is called opener segmentation. So this is actually a brilliant thing, because again, guys, we just need to have a clean list for openers, for people who at least opening our emails. Okay, and this automation actually does this. Okay, so when any newsletter is opened, copy to list main openers. So I created a special list. I called it main openers list with all the autoresponder series and everything of letters. Okay, now remember I told you in Getresponse we can send newsletters like a broadcast, we can send autoresponder letters, okay, and we can send automation messages. Okay, so this is why I created all these features here. So when any newsletter is open, the guy is copied to this list. When any autoresponder is opened, the guy also copied to main openers list. And when the automation message is opened, okay, the guy also being copied to main openers list for broadcast. So when I need to send a broadcast letter, just send it, let's say, once per day. I don't send this broadcast to all my lists. No, I will just send this broadcast message to my main openers list. Okay, this is how I get usually like 30 to 50% opt-in rate and from 5 to 20% click-through rate when I send messages to my openers list. Guys, I hope it was useful. If this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give me some comments, likes, and I will see you in other letters, in other videos. By the way, please find in the description to this video, you will find this link, passiveincomefunnel.club. Just join this funnel, it's free, and when you join, you will get access to 4 different passive income streams. And again, it's free to join, so don't simply forget to do it. Okay, again, I will talk to you soon. See you later.